Right-click on the game's shortcut or .exe, properties, compatibility. Check Run this program as administrator, save and relaunch. 2. Update graphics drivers. Go to Device Manager, Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, Update Driver, search automatically or go to the GPU manufacturer site, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and install the latest version. 3. Verify repair game files. In your game launcher, e.g. Steam, Library, right-click the game, Properties, Local Files, or equivalent, verify integrity of game files, or repair. This will check for missing corrupt files and fix them. 4. Disable overlays and background conflicts. Disable Steam overlay, Steam, settings, in-game, uncheck enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Disable Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, MSI Afterburner, etc. Close non-essential background apps before launching the game. 5. Lower in-game graphics and lock refresh rate. Open the game, Options, Graphics, reduce texture quality, shadows, anti-aliasing. Try setting resolution a little lower. Turn off VSync or lock frame rate to 60 Hz. This reduces workload on the system and helps stability on borderline hardware. 6. Add game to antivirus exception / temporarily disable. Sometimes antivirus / security software mistakenly interferes. Go into your antivirus settings and add the game folder to the exclusions list or temporarily disable real-time protection and test. 7. Install or repair DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Download and install the latest DirectX end-user runtime and the Visual C++ redistributables 2015-2022 for both x86 and x64. These are often required for games to launch properly. 8. Update Windows and BIOS. Make sure your operating system is fully updated. Also, check your motherboard manufacturer's site for BIOS updates, especially important if you're using very new hardware or encountering odd compatibility issues.